spent a week at the lake and didn't come back dry, red, or regretful. My skin, calm, glowing, and unbothered. This was the full morning routine I used every day and it delivered. I kept it light and hydrating, just the right balance for dry, sensitive skin. Started with the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Gel Cleanser. It's gentle, doesn't strip, and gives me that clean slate without messing with my moisture barrier. The next two items I'm going to mention are a celebrity brand. Don't come for me, but these are two amazing items that have totally restored my skin barrier in the last few months. So then I go in and I layer with the Rhode Glazing Milk. It's milky, hydrating, and gives a soft glow base that I want under my SPF. Followed it with the Rhode Barrier Restore Cream. Super nourishing, but still breathable in heat. My skin stays happy all the time. For SPF on my face, I used the Naked Sundays Collagen Glow Gel SPF. It's clear, lightweight, and perfect under makeup. There's no white cast, no peeling, and it gives you a soft glow that you will love. Also, because it is a gel formula, I should let you know it is the silky type of gel formula, not the sticky kind. Because I was at the lake and pretty much every day, my makeup is minimal and I pack it with a skin tint called Anastasia Beverly Hills BB Skin Tint Stick. It gives you that juicy, hydrating look. It's buildable, blendable, and just easy. It is very hydrating. If you have combo or oily skin, you will want to stay away from the last one I just mentioned, but one I can recommend for you that I also loved while at the lake was the Erborian CC Cream. It's lightweight, tone adapting, and leaves a smooth, even finish. It comes out white, but it has these little balls that dissolve as you rub it in, and somehow it is the same color as everybody's skin. And now for the full body sun protection, I brought the Roche-Posay Anthelios Melt in Milk Sunscreen. It comes in at SPF 60 and 100. It is luxurious. It's oil-free and fast-absorbing, perfect all-over coverage without feeling sticky. It held up beautifully, and let me tell you, I have never found an SPF with a formula like this one. It feels like a luxurious skincare. 100% give it a try. And last but not least, to keep your bag clean, I use LeakLocks leak-proof bottle covers on all my liquids I traveled with, but this was very great to put on the SPF that you do not want all over your purse on your boat. They stretch over the caps to prevent spills, and they actually work. No leaks, no mess, just smart packing. That's the full morning routine I used all week at the lake. Simple, hydrating, and protective, and every product pulled its weight. This is part 1 of my 3-part lake skincare series. So if you want to see what I used for makeup and nighttime recovery, those are coming up in the next few weeks.